do the sound effects for Ryan, and Karen, you're going to do sound effects for Colin. Colin's the bald one.
And Mark.
Yeah. Here's the scene. Ryan is one of Charlie's angels, and Colin is Bosley. They receive instructions from Charlie to infiltrate a criminal mastermind's jungle headquarters, where his militia has kidnapped the other two angels. So you're going to do the sound effects for him. Take it away.
Sorry you're late, Charlie.
I'm Bosley.
Oh, sorry.
You can still hold him if you want. Look. I just got a message from Charlie. Can't you listen like normal people?
I'm sorry.
We have to go out to the jungle. They're being held captive by some mad dictator.
Who is?
The other angels.
Oh, there's more?
Yes. Get into the private angel plane.
I deflated them for
Good
Charlie.
idea.
It makes it easier for you to see.
Yeah. You know, we're traveling over water. In case there's a problem, you may have to inflate them again.
All right.
Slurp, slurp, slurp. Click, 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 click. Click, 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 click.
Can I click some?
Please.
No. Click, 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 click.
I've got the deeper ones.
Seatbelts.
Click.
Ready?
I want to hope that your engine clicks when you start it up.
Now, listen to this.
Vroom, 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 vroom. Vroom, 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 vroom.
Give it a little gas.
Oh, it stopped. It stopped.
No. I turned on the muffle thing.
All right. What's that island look like, Charlie?
I'm Bosley.
Sorry.
That's it right there. Put on your parachute.
Right. It's all wet.
Yeah. Well, I had to wash everything before we took it on the mission.
Okay, I'm ready.
I'm going to put mine on.
Clump, 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 clump.
It's all clumped up.
Mine's made of bamboo.
Oh,
It's very light.
I'm ready.
All right. I'm going to open the door.
Crunch.
Who left this cereal here?
Sorry. It's all I eat.
Vroom.
Thank God it's not that windy up here. Oh, there we go.
Ready?
Ready.
Go.
Plop.
I hope I don't land in that pack of wolves.
I landed in some soft sand. Look, that giant fortress there. That must be where they get.
Tiny natives. I didn't bring any weapons.
My pants are full of them. Here, we're gonna have to cut through the jungle part here. Use that machete.
Right.
Slash, slash, slash. Vroom, 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 vroom. Vroom, vroom, vroom.
There's the fortress.
Okay, we're gonna climb up over the north wall there.
I'm scared, Charlie.
I'm Bosley! Look! There's my driver's license. Look!
Okay, I've got it.
What's my name? All right.
Quick, shoot something out of your pants that'll go over the wall that we can climb up.